Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Adachic.com reviews from United Kingdom. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. So here you have a collection of women's clothing, men's shoes, men's clothing, men's shoes, so many products. As you can see, the men's hooded jacket, warm and comfortable winter jacket, so many products along with a reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So they receive payment by Amex, Apple Pay, MasterCard, Visa, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. They do free shipping and they take within 3 business days. And shipping to US, UK, Australia, Canada, Europe, they usually take 7 to 14 days. And for international orders, they take 2 to 3 weeks for delivery. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 31st December 2020 and expires on 31st December 2021. So it is recently registered website and for a short period of time. Let's check out the About Us page. So About Us page is not mentioned here. That means you don't find any information about this website, who is the founder, owner and all. So that is one negative point about this website. Let's go to the contact address. So here in contact address, they have mentioned the physical address along with the phone number, and they have also given the email ID as hello@adachic.com. So let's see the social media presence. Friends, this website is not available on social media, so it is not very active. That means that is also one negative point about this website. Let's go to the return and refund policy. So return they will take within 30 days. So within 30 days they will give 100% money back guarantee. So let's check the customer reviews. So the customer reviews are not updated in the website. If you check the reviews related to the products, so there is no reviews yet and there is no feedback and rating given yet. So if you Google it also, I don't see any reviews regarding this website. So there is no rating given yet. So that is one negative point about this website. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are well specified and I see few duplicate images. So based on the above discussion, I can say this website is a suspicious website, as I can see there are few negative points. So I also advise you to check all the points before buying any products from this website. So do your research effectively. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.